Hello guys, welcome back. So to display our slider feature and popular in our front end, let's start from our slider here. So to display our slider here, very easy. So we are going to locate this file first in our VS Code. So you go to your VS Code. Inside your front end, you go to your home. Inside your home, you see your home slider. Inside your home slider, to display the blog post that include slider. First of all, we have to find our common div first so that we can run our for each loop. So let's look for our common div. This is one, this is two, this is the last one. So what we just need one. We delete this. So now at the top here, what we want to do is we want to get all the blog posts in our database. As you can see here, go to your browse. You can see this post here. We want to get all the blog posts in which the slider is equals to 1. Only the post that the slider is equals to 1 will be visible. Now let's do that. Our VS Code, the top here, you write your PHP block. That'll be PHP and PHP. So now into the PHP, we are going to get all the files using this variable. We can use slider. So slider will be equals to the model, the blog post model. The name of blog post model is also blog post. But to have direct access to this blog post model in our blade file, we have to get it from our app folder, our model folder, then our blog post. That will be app backslash models backslash our method name, which is blog post. Now you've gotten that, then you want to use the where condition. That will be where will be equals to the where into brackets where the status is equals to 1. So where the status is equals to 1, you will get all the data. So it's as simple as that. So now up here, we want to run our for each loop. That will be at each for each, that is the slider, as this variable name here, slider as, and take it as item. That's as simple as that. So now here, the image, we've done similar things in our recent post. So we can just copy it. Our image will be slider. We've actually gotten everything using this item here. So we are going to get the post image with this item. So now to get our category name here, gotten something like that in our recent post, so we can just copy it, and inside our home slider, paste it. Also paste it here. So now here for the post title, done it multiple times, so you just copy the post title, copy it inside your home slider, paste it. You also copy the post title link, the post title URL, which will direct you to the post details. Paste it. And also the author image, and something similar. The author image. Now here, what more do we have? Name, date, and review. We did that in our post details. Go to your post details page. That will be your blog details. Now I can see the username here. Copy it inside your home slider, paste it here. You also paste it here also. But you are going to take it as item. What else? The date. This is the date here. We've done it already. Copy it. Paste it here. So you take it as item. Also, this view, we don't need it. We can remove it. What else? What else do you want to be visible? And remove this here. And our read more will also be our details page. Just copy URL here. Copy it and paste it here. So we also need our image. Come to your details page. Just for something for the image up here. All you need to do is just copy this one. This will be for the name. The name. And also for the image. This is the image here. This will be for the image. Paste it. This will be photo. So now before we save all and check what we've done, remember your for each loop here, you have to end it also. You end it down here. End for each loop. And for each. And also, if you check your image here, we have two curly braces here and we have just one here. So to avoid mistake, you have to complete it. Also, after doing this, if you look at this line of code we put here, app model blog post, where status is equals to 1, it's not supposed to be status. The field name in our database is slider. That will be where slider is equals to 1, get all. Now let's save all and check it out. Save all. Now let's reload the page. So if we reload it, as you can see, our slider part is not visible because we don't have any blog post for the slider. Now let's add one blog post to the slider. Go to your blog post. And you can see this post here. This is the slider. Let's change it to 1. Now let's go back and reload it. Load. You can see one blog post is visible. Our category name is visible. The author image, let's check the author image. We go to your user. User is logged in as admin. The admin image is not visible. That out. As you can see, our title name is visible, our story is visible, our author name is visible, and the date is visible. You can see it works perfectly. So now let's resize the image. Let's resize the image height. Now that will be in your VS Code. This is the image here. You add your style. Inside your style, you change your height. Give it 200 pixels. We save all. Come back and reload it. 200 pixels is too small. Let's change it to 500. So as you can see now, and let's make it 600. 600 will be better. So save all. Reload the page. And see. Let's leave it at 500. Oh, let's save all. Okay, 600 is better. As you can see, our slider is visible. So we'll do the same for our featured post. We have just one post here. That is why we can't slide. I'll do the same for our featured post and our popular post. Our next video, I'll be doing the same for our featured post and our popular post. See you in the next video.